Have you ever felt that the places where you live has a great potential to be developed and generate quality of life, and for some reason that's not fulfilled? Well, good morning everyone. Our group is made for 4 architecture students from 7th semester. And we usually design architectural design, but for this time and this occasions, we will intervene the Grecia neighborhood, seeking to generate considerably positive impact on the sector through the method of tactic urbanism. Our social project will help the inhabitants of the Grecia neighborhood, who we notice have a lack of sense of that union that represent some places in Armenia. In this case, we will recover that sense of community by projecting different strategies and mechanisms to respond of this problem. Through spaces for socialization, awareness, and social integration, we will provide them with some techniques that strengthen this sense of community through the tactical urbanism. Through these tools, or with these tools, the community will win a really generation of unity among themselves and improve other problems that the neighborhood will have, such as the misuse of garbage, lack of sanitation, and lack of participation and sense of community into activities proposed to promote the whole neighborhood. Why chose us and why chose our project? What we really want to do is to share our knowledge with all of us. As students of architecture, we can make those tools or those techniques that will help and will satisfy a building, a city, and creating a sense of community. If you think our project is interesting, you can tell us, and if you want to know more about it, you can come to us and we will share more information for our project, Unity Colors. Thank you so much.